Clueless vibes are real here at Dior. I am so loving this sheer look. What do you guys think? Isn't it cute?
Welcome back to Jay in the City, where we are all about life, style, and inspiration. I'm Joshayajarre, and this is your Fall Winter 22-23 Trend Talk. Let's go. Yes, my favorite part of the year is here, you guys, and I am super excited. This is when it gets good. Let's tap in, dress up, and step out. Today, we are going to start getting into the hottest trends for this upcoming season. While there are many, the runway shows this spring were full of simple drama and standout energy. From simple tanks to saucy leathers, there is something for everyone this autumn. But we're gonna get into my top 7 these next couple of episodes. And I'm telling you, with fashion month here, layering season right around the corner, and runway pieces rolling in, you guys know we need to be ready. So let's talk about what designers set the trends, open up some of these pieces, and get into what's hot. Are you ready? Starting with number 7 is Prep Y2K style. So let's get into it. So, I am a die-hard prep look fan. Yes, my daughters hate me for it, but what can I say? It's clean, it's classic, and wears with just about any personality. I do feel like in order to pull out this trend, you have to have a real sense of identity. It's all about risk-taking and individuality because there's so many clear rules to this look. Or we can just do traditional. Let's talk Tom Brownie. Well, tradition never dies with the prep king himself. In pure animation on the runway, to play up the simplicity of grays, whites, blues, reds, and greens, in true aristocratic form, Tom Brownie brings class in well-tailored wools. The way he showcases his designs and oversized detail, you have a first-class look into immaculate couturier skills. And I mean the dog, you guys. I love the dog. I don't know if you guys seen the many variations online, but it's so cute and insane. And I mean the perfect accessory to every Tom Brownie look. We're gonna have to check that out. But first, let's get into Miu Miu. Okay, can we say risque? Yes, Miu Miu comes with it. While the color schemes were traditional, the rises were anything but. Inspired by true Y2K style, there was low-rise skirts, low-rise pants to ultra mini skirts and over-the-knee skirts, giving no common ground. Miu Miu was truly for the risk takers. Good thing knit tops and statement coats are on the horizon because the perfect mix will help you stay in your comfort zone. I'm talking finding the perfect oversized sweater, add it to the mini skirt or the mini shorts, find the perfect boot. A nice mod boot would be really good, nothing too fancy, the perfect bag, and I'm telling you, you can bring this look from the runway to your everyday runaround. Super clean and super classic, and it will be timeless, I promise you. Now let's have some fun with off-whites. Now this collection took me right back to high school. But this would be at the Off-White School of Performing Arts. It was all about vibrating at your highest energy, stepping into the world with no regrets. And that they did with vibrant plaids and exaggerated elements like silk collars, oversized hats, and coats that made a wow statement. It was all about being relaxed and having a vibe. Now, for my favorite of all the spring shows for the Winter 22 collection, it would have to be Louis Vuitton. Yes, my secret obsession. and it seems to be the go-to for cover looks this past month. This collection was classic, innovating, everyday style, taking me back to striped dresses and classic coats. Can we jazz it up a bit? And that he did, in such a way where it was artistically functional, like a painting with simple bold strokes. I mean, I love this collection. From the striped shirts, from the dresses, the mock-like dresses that were big at the bottom, and the detailing was insane. In styling it with the ties and the white collared shirts, it was classic. It went from the 50s, 90s, and then bringing it all the way futuristic with the Y2K. So it was just insane. I mean, I loved it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have not seen the show, take a minute, go back and take a look, because the pieces are rolling in, you guys. And speaking of pieces rolling in, you know I had to get mine from the runway. I will be unboxing, and I cannot wait to show you guys. But before we do that, let's talk what it takes to create this Y2K prep style.
Okay, let's think aristocratic, private school inspired layers. Yes, layers and layers. Set in these base essential rules, you can bring it all to the table with your personal touch and style. Whether you turn it up or turn it down, take risk and play with size, colors, and prints to bring that high fashion touch.
Now that you have all the essentials for your proper Y2K prep look, let's head over to Louis Vuitton, where the first drop has come in and I get to pick up my runway piece. Let's go.
So we are here to pick up our piece from the runway. Yes, you guys, from Louis Vuitton. I don't know if you guys seen the striped shirt that I fell in love with. So we will be getting that today. Also, I am trying on the Louis Vuitton dress that I have been in love with, you guys. They only have a 38, which sucks because I'm a 36, but we gotta see what this tailor can do. Yes. In the meantime, I cannot wait to show you guys this striped shirt. The one I showed you guys from the runway. We will be putting it together, styling it. I am super excited. We will be getting the Maison Margiela white boots to go with it to give it a real mod everyday look. So it's gonna be super awesome, super cute. Cannot wait to show you guys when I get back on into the box opening and a couple of looks from Louis Vuitton. I love this dress, you guys. It's super insane. Been waiting to get it. If you guys don't know, Journey Smollett wore this dress. Insane, but so much has to be done. I think she has my size. So in order for this to work, I would definitely have to take it in at the bottom. Take it in here. This is a 38. I am definitely a 36. Oh, we're gonna get the tailor and see if it can be done. Hopefully it can, because you guys, this is a perfect look for Paris. So not too sure if you guys can see, but it definitely needs to be brought up here and brought in. But I love it, I love it. So insane. You guys can check the detailing. It is sick, crazy. I so love it. I've been eyeing this dress, you guys, and Journey always comes with it. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it would be like that.
Yeah. And you put it like that.
Yeah,
All
that's
right.
better. Yes,
Okay.
and then tuck it in.
You want it like
Yes, definitely. Process of making this look great. Insane.
I think beautiful.
Yes, that's beautiful. Yes, perfect length. Just gonna get that side
Yeah.
up.
It's gonna be like
Yes.
exactly.
Perfect. That's
Okay.
perfect. Can't see the back, but it is sick. Look at that. She's amazing. It's gonna look so beautiful. Yes. Paris look, you guys.
Beautiful.
Yes, and
So it's not bad.
yes, this is gonna be for Fashion Week in Paris. Yeah. My husband's got the Louis Vuitton suit.
Oh.
And we're gonna do this. Beautiful.
Okay, so we are back and it is time. Yes. Look what we have. It is the actual reveal, you guys. So excited to share with you. Here we go. And you know we love Louis Vuitton. Let me tell you, what you guys are about to see, there would not just be one. We will also be getting another. And I say, okay, so I want you guys to take a look. I am super in love with it. I chose these because it's a different look for me. I usually always go with the super girly dresses. So those of you guys that don't know, this is a dress. They also come in the tops, the long sleeve top, and different colors. This was the first drop. I'm waiting for the baby blue with the multi-stripe. That look is gonna be insane. I'm gonna kill it. But this one, we're gonna do with a mod boot to give it more of an everyday. I don't want it to be too toned down, like too toned down sporty. I still want to give it a edgy, more runway look. So we're gonna go with this Maison Margiela boot that we found. It is white. I just can't decide whether I'm gonna do the white with the brown heel or they have the all white rubber, but it's killing. It has the inside toe on it. I'm gonna put up a little picture so you guys can see. Super cute, super insane, and we're gonna do it with that. It's perfect for fall. I love the detailing on the inside. Is like an everyday look, and this is gonna be classic. It so reminds me of a 90s style, which is gonna keep on circulating around because we all know it was the best era. So I cannot wait to do this look. It's gonna be super cute. It's gonna show it. I hope you guys like it. And every time one comes in for the drop, I will be showing it. Hope you guys like it. Insane, in love. And soon I will have the pictures of the complete edit. Yes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this trend talk more than I did. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for more styling videos. And don't forget to stay in tune because we have a lot more coming up. I'll see you guys next time.